Hi, welcome back. Do you know if Mexico City has 21 places that have been designated as Barrio Mexico or Magical Neighborhood? Because they have archaeological sites, monuments, museums, parks, or the unique streets. And I want to take you to discover why they call Barrio Mexico, what they have. And last week, I have visited Zona Rosa, and today I'm gonna take you to get around Condesa. So vámonos!
Do you know if Condesa means countess? The story goes it is named after Maria Magdalena Dávalos de Bracamontes y Orozco. She is the Countess of Miravalle. Condesa once was an elite place and one of her properties in the 18th century. And today it is a trendy, lively area swarming with tourists, chill, plenty of greenery spots, and remarkable example of Art Deco style.
And here right now in Parque Espana, this is the one of the attractions in Condesa. This park is so beautiful, full of trees, and the air is a bit fresh. And there is a pond with a fountain, and there is area for the dog. And so, let's get around.
Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. Steer it and create rings. We make some.
This park is totally pleasing to the eye. Besides the levee, it has audiorama, which is a quiet place and perfect for taking a rest or reading a book. And there are also an area for dogs, so you can play and teach them, and a children's playground. Here, you can see dog owners taking out their pooches for a little stroll.
Trauma in every cell. No wonder why we dwell. Medicine don't stand a chance as we dance. Lay down, bend or give in. I'll take your skin. Naked among them sins. Let go of what has been. Make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your eyes. Now let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. We'll be the sun, not a gray cloud. Stand out.
The unique thing in this area is the monument to Lázaro Cárdenas. If you notice, this monument figures of an outstretched hand, which means welcoming Spanish immigrants.
Stand out and make it all glow. Dress up the shit inside. You're part of the.
Now I'm at the famous street in Condesa, which is Avenida Amsterdam. This street is so incredible.
Things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say.
This pedestrian path is filled up with trees on either side. It's like a canopy, so pleasant to wander through. Moreover, you will have a view of the buildings with Art Deco influence. If you're an architecture lover, you'll definitely love it.
Things ain't right. Look away, what's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you
Due
say?
to Condesa becomes the favorite place for tourists either to get around or stay in, it makes this place kinda pricey. So I'm gonna find something to eat more affordable but still tasty. This is Hola Tacos El Cuero, located in Avenida Amsterdam.
I made an order tinga de pollo. This is the tacos guisado. They have a variety of fillings, and it's filled with chicken, arroz, and guacamole. So let's try. It has a rich flavor. I love it. It's a bit spicy, but it's yummy.
Also, there's an option for vegetarian and vegan, and it costs 28 pesos. Yeah, a bit expensive if you compare it to other places, but back again, this is Condesa.
What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say?
I'm at Parque Mexico, which is the main spot in Condesa. Wanna join me? Let's go.
Actually, I never get bored going to Parque Mexico again and again. It's always been my favorite park so far, and this park is perfect place to hang out and is always filled with energy. People do a wide range of activities here. On the weekends, you can see live music and dancers practice. On Sundays, the pet holders will gather here, and you will see many dogs, puppies, and cats that can be adopted. They rescue stray dog or cat from the street, and you can adopt them. Or if you don't want to adopt, you can do a donation such as money, food, supplements, and so on. I'm gonna put the information about that in the description if you are interested.
You set the fire and tone to promised land. We all know that it must come to an end. Happy or sad, my dearest friend, there's nothing easy about this. So won't you blow me off with a kiss? We all know that it must come to an end. Happy or
Besides its
sad,
sweeping green areas, it's also filled with sea cafes, bars, and restaurants.
Bits of candy wrappers. Looking back to when our castle was a shack. Vacation was making figure eights in the parking lot. Remember when we used to forget more than we forgot? It wasn't like we didn't work hard enough. I'm trying to hold on to all the things that we did right. But how could I forget about you leaving? Since my heart has never stopped bleeding, all that I can see is that I lost you then. I'm looking for a reason to forgive you, and sometimes I even wanna be with.
And and I stopped by to regret. It's a cozy place, well designed with a Mexican touch, and perfect place to chat or work, and the space is comfortable. I ordered iced Mexican chocolate and I really love the flavor and taste. Starts from 17 pesos.
Years go by and gradually the tears run dry, but I'm still here looking for your face in the faceless crowd. Long after our final ship.
Now we can see why Condesa has been declared Barrio Magico by the city. It's a charming area filled with chic eateries, lush greenery parks, and no doubt this place becomes one of the favorite neighborhood to stay in. And yeah, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you at the next video. Ciao!
Lost you then, looking for a reason to forgive you. Sometimes I even wanna be with you, just the way you say that it's alright.